back. Well, the biggest screen idol Rajinikanth celebrates his birthday today, and NDTV Hindu makes it possible for you to be part of the superstar's birthday celebrations. Now, who can forget Rajinikanth's super punches which sent the theatre screens cracking? Now, all those unforgettable lines come together in just one single book. Here's a prologue to the Punch Tantra.
From a regular coolie to a top-notch CEO, superstar Rajinikanth's punchlines have evoked a nod of acceptance and a warm smile among everyone. So what do you think of a book with a collection of the best punchlines along with a perspective applicable to business and life management to it? We met the two men behind this book who say it's a dream come true.
The objective here is to clearly tell the readers that these are not mere filmy style statements. These are statements that carry profound meaning, immense meaning, and when you apply to your work, your business or your own personal life, you can really relate. You can perhaps celebrate life.
And when I shared this, both of us met Rajni sir and shared this, he was first surprised, and there was a childish appreciation and kind of Santosh thought, he said, that's a very interesting idea. All right, why don't you try?
And in a befitting way, none other than the man who identified Rajni and his talents, K. Balachandar, released the book. But the icing on the cake was the presence of Rajni's daughter Aishwarya Dhanush, who graced the occasion as Rajni's ambassador.
Of course, Rajni has always been, he would like to say something, few good things to the people and to his fans. Likewise, this Punch Tantra, the Punch lines have come to stay.
I think he's happy, very happy about this whole initiative.
Yeah, worry. Tani worry. Na oru thadave sonna, nooru thadave sonna madri.
Priced affordably, the book is available in both Tamil and English. You can pick your book from the stands to know what lessons the band with a unique path has to offer. Or if you belong to the Gen Y who prefers everything at the click of a button, then you can also log on to www.nhm.in and download the e-book to read it. In Chennai, with Bertilla, Ragamalika for NDTV Hindu.
Well, NDTV Hindu has been taking your wishes throughout the day. Now remember, this is your last chance to call as well. Well, it can be a song or a poem for your superstar. Those are the numbers that are flashing on your screens, and give us a call on that to be part of the superstar's birthday bonanza. Well, we have our first caller online. It's Ilangovan who's calling in from Ginti. Good evening, Mr. Ilangovan. What would you like to tell the superstar?
Hi, good evening. I would like to tell him, long live superstar. You're the only person whom we can, with a lot of respect, call to be the Talaivar of Indian cinema.
Well, you're calling him the Talaivar of Indian cinema. So what would be the ultimate...
Talaivar by itself means the leader, the only leader of Indian cinema.
So what would you say would be the, the best pick of all the movies that Rajinikanth has started?
I have always liked Basha.
Basha.
So Basha is the best movie I have ever seen out of Rajinikanth's lot. And of course, I like every other movie of Superstar.
So what's your favorite line from Basha, Ilangovan?
Na oru thadava sonna, nooru thadava sonna madri.
Well, I'm sure a lot of people echo along with you, Ilangovan, that almost is the favorite line for many of Rajinikanth's fans there. Thanks very much indeed for calling us. We have another caller online. It's Sridhar who's calling in from T Nagar. Good evening, Mr. Sridhar. What would you like to tell your superstar? It's almost 2 hours to go before his birthday ends today.
Yeah, I would like to be, I'm a great fan of Rajinikanth. Right from my college days, I used to watch his movies first day first show. So and I've seen almost all his movies.
What is the first movie that you've watched of Rajinikanth, Sridhar?
Right from Apurva Ragangal, I watched all the movies.
So what would be your favorite?
My favorite is Moonru Mugam.
Moonru Mugam. Do you sing, Mr. Sridhar? Would you like to dedicate a song perhaps? You can sing a little song before your superstar's birthday.
No, actually, I'm not very good at singing, but I would definitely like to wish Rajinikanth for the superstar.
Right, so is there a lot of people as well who are watching this at home who would want to wish the superstar as well, your family or your friends?
I wish him because I'm a very, very good fan of Rajinikanth. I've seen all the movies, almost all the movies of Rajini.
All right. Thanks very much, Mr. Sridhar, for calling us. And we have another caller online. It's Sudhir who's calling in from Chromepet. Good evening, Mr. Sudhir. Go ahead. What would you like to tell the superstar?
I'm very proud to be his fan. I've seen almost all his movies. We celebrated his movies. Today we're bursting crackers, eating sweets. Wishing Manamaya bless Talaiva.
Now, would you agree with me, Sudhir? This, of course, has been, Rajinikanth's one of the most wonderful years for him. He's given, in fact, one of the best commercial hits at the box office. Endiran also this year.
Yeah, sure.
So
because the film is not only a big hit in Tamil Nadu or India, it has been a big hit throughout the world. So I'm sure it's given lots of commercial hits. Shivaji the Boss, Endiran.
So what is your favorite pick out of all these, Sudhir?
My favorite film is Raghavendra, his 100th film.
His 100th film, wow.
Yeah, Raghavendra, because I like him because I'm a great devotee of that god, so I like him. I like that film personally. Apart from it, I like Badshah.
Now that is, Raghavendra was quite an offbeat film of Rajinikanth. So do you like him, do you like to watch the superstar doing serious roles or, the role of a doctor like Dr. Vashi in Endiran?
We are ready to enjoy it.
So whatever role you'll enjoy, Rajinikanth.
Yeah, we'll accept and we'll enjoy it. We'll make it a big hit.
Right, that is the true words of a fan, I can say that. Thanks very much, Sudhir, for calling us. Yes. We have another caller online. It's Salahuddin calling in from Chromepet. Good evening, Mr. Salahuddin. What would you like to tell the superstar?
Yeah, good evening. Hello?
Yes, Mr. Salahuddin. We can hear you. Please
hi,
go ahead.
This is Salahuddin here.
Go ahead. What would you like to tell the superstar?
I will land from Superstar from street. I walk from Superstar from street. Okay. I have learned more than Superstar. I speak with Superstar. I like the Superstar. Yeah, definitely.
Right. Have you and your friends, how did you celebrate this super? Did you do something? Did you watch his movie today?
It's very wonderful day because this month is not for Superstar. This day for not for Superstar. This whole month is only Superstar birthday will be celebrating our friends.
Right. So did you do anything special today, Mr. Salahuddin?
Acting, huh? Yeah, I know that one dialogue from Basha.
Right. Thanks very much indeed, Mr. Salahuddin, for calling us.
Okay, thank you then. Have a nice day.
We have another caller. It's Ratnam who is calling in from Adyar. Good evening. Please go ahead with what you would like to tell the superstar.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. What is your message that you want to give the superstar on his birthday?
First of all, I would like to wish our Talaivar Rajini sir on his birthday.
Yes, sir.
I am a hardcore Rajini fan.
So, what would be your favorite movie of your? What's the of this?
All Rajini movies are my favorite, and my very favorite movie is Badshah.
The timing couldn't be better, sir. When you say Badshah, those are the visuals actually going on our screen. So, if you're telling me you're a true hardcore Rajini fan, so what do you think was the dialogue when he was talking to Raghuvaran? Can you guess?
I would like to say Padayappa dialogue. Yeah, very Tani very.
All right. So thanks very much indeed for joining us and giving us your wishes through NDTV Hindu. We have another caller online. It's a caller from Vellore. It's Mr. Amar who's calling. Good evening, Mr. Amar. What would you like to tell the superstar tonight?
Yeah, I would like to wish him happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day.
Right. Is there something else that you would like to say on this being his birthday? Is there something else you'd like to tell him?
Yeah, I am an ardent fan of Superstar, and I like Basha and Annamalai very much.
Okay, so if Superstar was to ever redo one of his movies, what would that be? What would you like to see the Superstar doing all over again?
That would be Moonru Mugam.
Moonru Mugam, wow. So you're another fan there who definitely likes the Superstar more than his punchy dialogues. Definitely in a character role, in a serious role. Is that how it is, Amar?
No, I like Superstar in any role actually because he can pull off any role with ease.
All right. Thanks very much, Amar, for joining us. We have another caller online. It's Partha Sarathi who's calling us from Madipakam. Good evening, Mr. Partha Sarathi. What would you like to tell the superstar tonight?
Good evening. Great man, great day.
So,
hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Mr. Partha.
Great day, yeah. Yes. It is identification for Tamil Nadu.
Yes, indeed, it's been a great day, I'm sure, for the superstar.
It is like, Deepavali. like one of the ideal day of Tamil Nadu. December 12 is everyone in Tamil Nadu knows very well.
So Rajinikanth's birthday is like a festival. Is that how it is?
It's a festival. Of course, it's a festival.
So did you do something today? You seem to be a huge fan of Rajinikanth, and you're calling it a festival.
Whole channel. No, almost all. No, more than 15 channels. Now it is focused about the great man birthday.
All right. So what would be your favorite movies out of all those movies that Rajinikanth has acted?
My opinion, Chandramukhi.
Chandramukhi.
Yes.
All right. Thanks very much, Mr. Parthasarathi, for joining us and giving us your wishes. Well, this certainly has been a wonderful year for the superstar, and today, of course, many fans all over the city and the state had boisterous celebrations all over. They had distributed sweets and they had celebrations. In fact, we had one caller even telling us that she had, in fact, given lunch for about 20 poor people on the day of Rajinikanth's birthday. And a lot of celebrities too have been wishing Rajinikanth throughout, and many callers we have been taking throughout the morning. It's been a wonderful day, I'm sure, for the superstar Rajinikanth, who is having a low-profile birthday at home, but so many wishes for him. I'm sure that he will go back to sleep with having one of the best birthdays, and we are happy at NDTV Hindu to be actually having to make a bridge for all you viewers and for the superstar himself. Well, that's all we have time for in this bulletin, but here's a little something for all your superstar fans. Thanks for watching and good night.
நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி.
தீப்பட்டிக்கு 2 பக்கம் வரசாதான் தீ பிடிக்கும். ஆனா இந்த அலெக்ஸ் பாண்டியனுக்கு எந்த பக்கம் வரசாலும் தீ பிடிக்கும்.